Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you've ever smelled the sweet, savory aroma of noodles cooking on a hot grill in a Japanese street market, you've experienced the magic of yakisoba. This iconic street food is loved for its rich sauce, chewy noodles and satisfying flavor. In this video, you'll discover what makes yakisoba special, its history, and the secrets behind its signature taste and texture. If you've ever walked through a bustling Japanese street market, you've likely followed a scent trail of sweet, tangy, and slightly charred aromas to a sizzling flat-top grill. That irresistible fragrance belongs to yakisoba noodles, one of Japan's most beloved comfort foods. It's a dish that captures the heart of street food culture. It's fast, salty, and incredibly satisfying. While many people assume that soba implies buckwheat, yakisoba is actually made with wheat flour noodles. These noodles have a unique chewiness that stands up perfectly to high heat and thick sauces. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a nostalgic snack from your travels, yakisoba is the answer. It's a versatile stir-fry that brings together tender proteins, crunchy vegetables, and a signature sauce that ties everything together. Because it's so easy to customize, it has become a staple in kitchens far beyond Japan. Let's look at what makes this humble noodle dish a global favorite and how you can recreate that authentic festival flavor in your own kitchen. What makes yakisoba noodles so special? Yakisoba isn't just another stir-fry, it carries a deep history that mirrors the evolution of Japanese casual dining. While the dish has roots in Chinese chow mein, it took on a life of its own in Japan after World War II. During that time, food shortages meant that cabbage was used as a cheap filler to bulk up the noodles. Over the decades, it transformed from a budget-friendly meal into a legendary street food staple. Today, you'll find it at every summer festival, matsuri, served in plastic trays and eaten with wooden chopsticks while watching fireworks. The cultural impact of yakisoba extends to convenience stores and school lunches across Japan. It's the ultimate soul food because it hits every flavor profile our palates crave. The combination of heat from the pan and the umami from the ingredients creates a complex taste that's hard to replicate with other types of pasta. It's also a communal food, often cooked on large iron griddles called teppans, where the chef tosses the ingredients with large metal spatulas. This high-heat environment is what gives the dish its smoky edge. Unlike ramen, which is served in a bowl of hot broth, yakisoba is defined by its lack of liquid. The goal is to have the sauce coat the noodles so thinly and evenly that it caramelizes. This gives the dish a rich, dark color and a sticky texture that's completely different from a soupy noodle bowl. It's also one of the few Japanese dishes that plays so heavily with Western-influenced condiments, making it approachable for almost anyone. The secrets of the sweet and savory sauce. The true heart of yakisoba lies in its distinct sauce. It's a dark, thick liquid that balances sweet, salty, and sour notes perfectly. Most traditional recipes use a base of Japanese Worcester sauce, which is fruitier and thicker than the version found in the United States. This is blended with soy sauce for saltiness, oyster sauce for a deep ocean umami, and sometimes a bit of ketchup for extra sugar and acidity. Now you understand why yakisoba is one of Japan's most beloved comfort foods and what makes its flavor and texture unique. From its cultural roots to its signature sauce and noodles, yakisoba is truly a special dish. In part 2, we'll show you how to make authentic yakisoba at home step by step, including ingredients, cooking techniques, and professional tips. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.